this one today, Mark?
Every day. But every day I'm doing a different one, you know? Monday we cook fideuà, Tuesday we cook seafood, Wednesday we cook the traditional one. Then this week we cook chorizo one on Tuesday and vegan one on Friday.
So this is beef?
Beef with truffle oil, put the roast juice also with the bones of the chicken and make like a roast concentrate juice. And then this is the Iberico ham, you know, the black pig of Spain, the special one. And this is the serrano, made with a regular pork, you know. If you see, it's kind of shiny because the fat is like polyunsaturated fat. This is why it's more healthy, this. Gazpacho, the most traditional cold soup in Spain.
Yeah.
Really healthy, full of spinach. We are trying to use as much as possible local products because for sure they are more fresh and it's more economic. You know, the taxes here in Thailand is pretty great. And then this is a variation of the Mediterranean salad. The only difference with the normal one is that we put also boiled egg. This is really typical in our country. We use cheese, free cheese. I put a little bit of free cheese to increase the cheese flavor. And then we put caramel, eggs, vanilla, an infusion mixed with vanilla. And then we cook at Maria Bain, you know, Maria Bain, in the oven for about an hour. And then it is whipped cream. like a kind of, I'm doing with a different variation, you know? Because the traditional one includes also rabbit, you know, and snails. Okay, so, but here in Thailand, you know, the people, I did one time, you know, in my last restaurant, and the people treat me as a killer, you know. When I put rabbit in the paella, they say, what are you doing, man? Rabbit is a pet, it's not an animal you can eat. So now we just adjust to put chicken on the paella, you know. So the traditional one mix seafood and also meat. Five minutes. Almost done. Finish already. Job done. Muy bueno, claro. C'est fini. It's over.